Previously on Meet the Sullivans.
And white people get married in Ireland?
I hate to break it to you, but only virgins get married in white.
Ladies! How are the two on up to?
Hello, sir. It's bad luck to see the bride's dress before the wedding day.
So, Kamisha, you like the place?
It could do with some interior decoration.
You will always be daddy's little girl.
Even when I get married?
You're supposed to only talk about me and your mother wedding.
You,
Who's calling you this late?
it's for you. Miss Nicey?
Trevor.
What you want, Nicey?
Trevor was carrying your child.
Nicey, you serious?
Listen to me. If that package is not at the location by this evening, I am going to leave a very bad review.
I don't want to hear it. I am tired of the excuses. Yes, Miss Suarez. I cannot do that. I am running a legitimate business. What? In my name? How could you have done that? I have to go. I'll call you back.
You alright?
Yeah, I like your shirt.
Yeah, more to the book I send a message, you know? If you get a man like me, I'll get a trophy husband
You have substance and quality.
in abundance. Don't tell me so nothing not depend on mind because you wear it like a sleeve. What going with you?
I just got some very disturbing call.
Something to do with the daughter?
No, it's just a fellow business owner. She's in the same industry as me with the funeral home.
So what going?
This is just her past catching up on her. She used to work with this guy that does legal things with his funeral home.
Legal? When they run drugs?
Not drugs, guns.
So how that work? What she do? Storage fee?
Transportation and storage.
Transportation and storage? That sounds like a whole funeral deal. So how she get caught in this?
He's no longer among the land of living, but he has a family member that wants her to continue the dirty work.
People have to be careful, you know, because no matter what you're doing in your past, you know, if you creep up on you like Smirnoff Ice, you know.
She wanted to get out in, but she had no choice.
I see. And make nobody tell you that. We always have a choice. And them things that we could not take accountability for our action more while, you know. And I know say Or somebody where you might close to come, I see say it bother you. But everybody have a choice.
Numbers. She's actually a childhood friend. You're right about choices, but some choices we can't skip around.
Friend and a friend. You have to be big enough and strong enough you can tell her, say, are your choices I reach to you right now. And you can't, I know you feel that way, but you can't be the person where I got dead there. I feel bad for her because of your choices. You have to lively up yourself and don't make it get you down too much because everybody will make a bad choice in their life yet. They have to deal with it.
I understand what you're talking about, but I still have to be her support. She has always been there for me.
I'm not saying enough to support your friend. But over that, but you have to know how to divide the two. You can't make, because fear past come blighted your future. Remember, say I run a legitimate group of companies now and a little thing. And we have to just remember that other people past can come mash up our thing, you know. Right now, a data reach me and my business partner, them stars like, oh, a darkness me a prayer now, you know, nice.
What you mean numbers?
What me mean, nice, you know, reach our place the other day, the weed house. I'm tell you something, run a weed house and a bar, right?
Yeah,
We think legitimate. Everything up to scratch. And we have some weed that come in from St. Elizabeth the other day. Some boy just intercept it and rob it. And them look like all police. And let me tell you something, yes, anytime we find them boy there, a different thing.
So numbers. The shoes are squeezy or something?
Nice, let me tell you something. You see, anytime people say me get so animated, I just because I don't want to get dark. Anytime people say me go on some, people might think say a foolishness more while, but at this me use and calm myself, sir. Because you see, for back in the day, like when me out the street, I go on with certain things, make them boy they will take all that weed. True, you know, in a nice. Enough things man used to go on without a street. A cool man, a cool, you know.
Numbers. You a bad man?
And I say bad man. But me used to know to defend myself. I get to my born and grown, you know. Never have no gold spoon in my mouth, so me have to take care of things myself. So the life for me I try to live now, a sex me I try settling and don't deal with certain things, but it just coming like people I try dry out star.